Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to unbox the Welly surprise egg. So we don't know what is inside. So let's just open it and see. Okay, here it is. Okay. Okay, this is a Range Rover. As you can see, it is a white Range Rover. Okay, it has some scratches here and there. This is new out of the box. Weight's really less. This is metal, die cast metal, and the wheels are plastic. As you can see here. This looks okay. It's not, and the quality is not good, not that much, but it's okay. You can see the interior here. Doesn't have any suspension or anything. It's just normal one. And the plastic is really flimsy. See, this is shaking a lot. No, it's not worth the buy. Okay guys, if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. Thank you.